Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues whatsoever. That's great. Thank you so much for informing me. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys? Good evening, everyone. How are you guys? Everything is clear. No issues. Good, good. Good evening, everyone. How are you guys? Good? Fine? Amazing? Great? That's good to hear, guys. So, how was your day? How did it go? Did you guys try to do something new today? Did you guys try to learn something new? Try to have a productive day today? Was it a productive day for you guys? Good. Always try to learn something new, guys. The more that you learn, the more that you grow your knowledge, the better you will be at it. Okay. So it's always amazing to see you guys growing throughout the years, getting into good jobs as well. And that is the reason why we are here for you, right? So always make sure that you guys are learning something new every single day. That is how you will be able to get better at it as well. Okay? Good guys. Amazing. Okay. So can you guys let me know what have we studied in our previous class? Can you guys let me know what have we studied in our previous class, guys? Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our previous class? We started about CSS. Okay. Types of CSS. So what are the three types of CSS, guys? What are the three types of CSS? What are the three types of CSS, guys? Inline, external, and internal. Okay, inline, internal, and external CSS. And we will always use external CSS. We will never use inline or internal CSS. Okay, that is also what we understood yesterday. We started out with class IDs. Okay, classes and IDs in CSS. We tried to understand what are classes and IDs by using the example of the annual day function. Okay, the example of a school itself, which you guys will be very familiar with. So all these small things, guys, are extremely important. They form the basics. Okay, they form the basics of CSS. So always try to understand and learn about it itself. Okay. What's the difference between C and CSS? C is a language, a programming language, just like Python, Java, JavaScript. Whereas CSS is used to style your websites. Okay, it's just two separate things itself. Okay, good. Anything else that we studied yesterday, guys, except inline, internal, and external CSS, as well as your classes and IDs? Okay, did we study something else, guys? Please let me know. Okay, so Aryan wants us to stop talking rubbish. So what we are going to do is we are just going to remove him from the channel. So now he will not be listening to rubbish as well. Okay, no issues in that. We try to do our mock-up website as well. Good. We tried to do that. Good, guys. Anything else? Image tag. Good. Rule set. Okay. So what are the three components of a CSS code, guys? Could you guys let me know? Yesterday we learned about it as well. What are the three components of a CSS code, guys? Three parts of a CSS code. Do you guys remember the names? Please let me know. One was rule set. What about the other two? Selector. And what about the third, guys? Rule set, selector, and what was the third one? Declaration block. Okay. So rule set, selector, and declaration block, guys. Always remember these technical terms, guys. Okay. Technical terms are very important for us to remember, guys. Okay. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Okay. So I think so. That was it, guys. That is what we learned in our yesterday's class. Am I right? Please let me know. That is what we learned in our yesterday's class, guys. Please let me know. Okay, great. So next, what we are going to do is we are going to explore CSS a little bit, use CSS a little bit more. Okay. So just like in HTML, we had some problem statements, and then we worked upon it to understand the basic tags that are there in HTML. In a similar manner, right over here in CSS as well, we will have some problem statements that we will be having, and on the basis of those problem statements itself, we'll try to learn CSS hands-on a little bit more, the basics of CSS, guys. Okay, so shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys excited? Shall we start with our today's class? Please let me know, guys. So today there is no notification in group for class. Ujjwal Yadav, could you let me know which group are you in? Ujjwal Yadav, could you guys let me know which group are you in? Ujjwal, if that would be helpful for me. Ujjwal, could you let me know which group are you in? Okay, notification was there. Good, no issues in that then. Okay, so do one thing, guys. If everything goes well in today's class, okay, we'll have a surprise for you at the end of the class itself. First, make sure that we are able to learn as much as possible in today's class, guys. Okay, try to learn as much as possible. If you guys are able to understand everything and the class goes smoothly, I will have a small surprise for you at the end, guys. Okay, so let's get started with our today's class, guys. Let's get started with our today's class. So what we are going to do is we'll go back to our PPT. Yesterday we saw classes and IDs, right? Let me open up the live chat on my mobile phone as well, so that I'm able to see you guys chatting. Whatever you guys are typing, I'm able to see that. Give me a second. Okay, so I've opened up the YouTube channel. Now I need to find. Give me a second, guys. It's pretty hard to find my channel itself on my own phone. I've subscribed to so many channels. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So what we're going to do right now is that we are going to learn about length in CSS. Okay, so whenever you are creating, any kind of button, or you are having a image, okay, you are having a particular like something on your website, okay, so you would want to know the length and width of these websites, right, guys? These images or the button, you would have to specify that, okay, this button should be like this many some units from the left hand side, the width of the button should be this much, the height of the image should be this much. So all this length will also be involved in designing a website, creating a website as well. Now in your daily life, you have units like miles, feet, centimeter, meter, kilometer, all these different type of units that are there, right, guys? All these units are there which you use to measure length, okay, at your in your daily life, right, guys? Please let me know. Which is used to measure the units of length, guys. Are you guys able to understand? Please let me know. In a similar manner, when you are designing a website, okay, when you are creating a website as well, you are having various different units that you can actually use to measure length when you are designing or creating a website. Now there are many. Two of them are pixels and percentages. Of course, we are not going to just learn about pixels and percentage. We are going to learn a lot more. As you're able to see right over here, we are going to learn about pixels, millimeter, inches, centimeter, percentage, em, vw, vh. All these are the different kind of units that exist while you're designing websites, okay, while you're creating websites itself. And that is what we are going to do this time as well. Are you guys able to understand? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Great. So what are these units? We'll be understanding about it. First, we need to understand the two kinds of units that exist in designing a website. Okay, the two kinds of units always, one is called as the absolute unit of measurement and the other one is called as the relative unit of measurement, guys. So what do you mean by an absolute measurement of unit? Okay, unit of measurement. Okay, I said it opposite. Okay, so right over here, this is this road that you are able to see on your screen, right? There's this road that you are able to see. So the width of this road is 8 meters. I'm specifying the exact width of this particular road, guys. It's called as absolute unit of measurement, guys. Absolute unit of measurement. We are having 8 meters right over here. Okay. You're having 8 meters. So even if a bike is going on this particular road, even if a car is going on this particular road, even if a truck is moving on this particular road, the width of the road remains fixed at 8 meters. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. No matter if a bike, a car, a truck, whatever is moving on in this particular road, the width of the road always remains the same. That is 8 meters, guys. It's called as an absolute unit of measurement. Okay, it's called an absolute unit of measurement, guys. Similar to that, you have something called as a relative unit of measurement. Now, if I'm saying that this particular road, okay, this is another road, okay, new road itself. This road is 2 cars wide. Okay, this road is 2 cars wide. Now, for example, if a Tata Nano, okay, Tata Nano is a very small car, guys. Okay, a very small car. If I'm taking into that, okay, those 2 cars were Tata Nano, then the width of the road is very less. Okay, if those 2 cars were trucks, big trucks itself, the width of the road is very large because it is the width of 2 trucks. So the width of the road is dependent upon cars. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. The width of the road is dependent upon the cars itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So these are the 2 units of measurements, guys. One is fixed, that okay, this is absolute, okay, it's not going to change. It is always 8 meters of width itself. And the other one is relative, because it is relative to the width of the car. It is 2 cars wide. Now, depending upon which car it is, the width of the road will change, the width of the road will differ. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. These are the 2 units of measurement. And similar to that, inside of your code as well, okay, the units that are available in web development, there are 2 units of measurements that are there, guys. Okay, one is the absolute unit of measurement and the other one is the relative unit of measurement. And we are going to learn both of the things, guys. We are going to learn both of the things. So let's first start with absolute unit of measurement, guys. Okay, let's first start with absolute unit of measurement, guys, and it is very simple for us to understand. Okay, very simple for us to understand, guys. So let us go back to our web. So in your childhood, okay, at any particular point of time in your childhood, I have done this, maybe you guys have also done this. Have you guys sat very close to your TV screen? Okay, have you guys done that at any particular point of time? Have you guys sat very close to your TV screen, guys, when you were a child, or when you right now as well? If you sit very close to the screen of your TV or something like that, you must have seen some small rectangles. Okay, you must have seen some small rectangles that were there. Okay, do you guys remember that? Please let me know. Even now as well, if you bring your phone or something like that very close to your face, you will be able to see some small rectangles out there. Now these rectangles actually look something like this. Let me show it to you guys. Let me go to images, pixel on a screen. So it will look something like this, guys. Okay, something like this. As you are able to see, something like this you will be able to see on your screens, guys. Okay, some rectangular structures that are there. Now each of these rectangular structures that you are able to see inside of this picture, okay, inside of this picture itself is called as a pixel. Okay, it's called as a pixel, guys. Now, pixel is the smallest unit of any screen, whether it be your mobile phone, whether it be your laptop, whether it be your TV, whether it be your tablet, anything that has a display on it. The smallest unit of measurement is your pixel. Okay, the smallest unit of measurement is your pixel, guys. Okay, so a pixel, if zoomed in properly, looks something like this. This is how a pixel looks like. Okay, inside of one rectangle itself there are 3 LEDs. Inside of every single rectangle itself there are 3 LEDs, guys. A red LED, a green LED and a blue LED. So whatever color that you're seeing on your screen, whether it be skin, okay, skin color or pink color or orange color or purple color, any type of color that you guys are seeing on your screen itself, that is made up of these pixels, and each of these pixels have just 3 colors inside of it: red, green and blue. Now, if you know the color theory, any color in the entire world, any color in the entire world, this is the color theory, guys. Any color in the entire world can be created using just three colors itself: red, green, and blue. You don't require any other color in the entire world to create any color that you want, any color. So, a combination of these three colors itself create your all the colors in the entire world, guys. If you don't know about it, just remember that you guys are. Like remembering it right now, okay, you guys know it right now itself. Okay, so what happens, guys, is that, for example, what about black color? So all these colors, all these three LEDs that you're able to see, if it is closed, okay, all these three LEDs, if it is closed, in that particular time you will get the black color. Okay, at that point of time, it will be black color itself. All these three LEDs are working at 100% output. That is, red is also working, green is also working, blue is also working at 100% output. It will give you white color. So any color that you want, you can create it using these pixels itself. Now, because your screens are created using pixels, okay, that is the absolute measurement of unit. Okay, pixels are absolute measurement of unit, because the size of one pixel is 1 by 96th of an inch. Okay, size of one pixel is 1 by 96th of an inch, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Size of one pixel is 1 by 96th of an inch, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? So it's a fixed unit. So if I'm saying that this button is 50 pixels wide, this button is 50 pixels wide, we know exactly what is the size of the pixel itself, because the pixel has a fixed size. The pixel has a fixed size, 1 by 96th of an inch. Because it is fixed, it is not varying. That, okay, on your laptops you are having larger pixels, on your mobile phones you are having smaller pixels. Because size of the pixel is not varying, it's an absolute measurement of unit, guys. Okay, so if I go to my website, let us go to our website itself. We are going to learn about a new tag. Okay, we are going to learn about a new tag called as the div tag. Okay, this tag we have not yet learned about it, so we are going to learn about it right now. This tag is called as the div tag, guys. Now this div tag, so for example, if you are going from one place to another, okay, you want to go to your school itself. For school, you pack your tiffin boxes. Am I right or wrong, guys? For school, do you pack your tiffin boxes? Please do let me know. RGB, red, green, and blue, guys. Red, green, and blue. Hey, you go to school with your tiffin box. Now, what happens if there is no tiffin box? Will you carry your roti and your vegetables in your hand and go? No, right? You won't do that, right? You won't carry your roti and your sabji, that is your vegetables, in your hand and go to the school, right? You want a tiffin box, a container inside of which you can pack all these stuff and then go to the school, right? Similar to that, inside of HTML as well, sometimes you want to group some of the tags together. Okay, you want to group some of the tags together, guys. In that particular way itself, you want something to containerize these tags together. You want another tag to containerize these tags together, that will act as a tiffin box for all the other tags that are present inside of it. So there you have something called as the div tag. Now, when you are applying the h1 tag to a particular text, it changes it, it makes it big and bold. You apply the paragraph tag to a particular text, it makes it, converts it into a paragraph itself. The div tag has no attributes whatsoever. The div tag has no attributes whatsoever. It is just like a tiffin box. It is just used to store other tags inside of it. It does not change anything about the tags. It does not change anything about the content itself. It's just a container tag, guys. It is just a container tag. So I'm creating a div tag right over here, guys. This is our div tag. Okay, people are asking for the PPT, guys. I forgot about updating the Discord link. Okay, I will do it tomorrow itself. Okay, I will do it tomorrow. I will message my team itself to update the link by tomorrow. Okay, so the PPT that I'm using will be made available to you guys tomorrow itself. Don't worry. Okay, I'm just messaging my teammate right now. Design head. Okay. Please update the Discord link in YouTube description as it is expired. Okay, so I have informed my team, guys. By tomorrow, it would be updated. You will be able to see the PPT inside of the Discord channel only. Okay, you will be able to see the PPT inside of the Discord channel only, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, I've messaged him right now itself. By tomorrow, the link will be updated. Right now, it is not working. By tomorrow, it will start working, guys. Okay, so tomorrow you will get the access to the PPT as well. So now that it's fine, we can start with our class. Okay, so right over here, as you're able to see, this is the div tag, guys. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide this tag with a class. Okay, I'm going to provide this tag with a class, guys. Class of out. Okay, I'm going to provide it a class of out, guys. Okay, as you're able to see, class of out. Okay, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go to style.css. We'll remove all our code and we'll select the out tag. So for selecting the out class, what is the code that I should be writing, guys? Okay, what is the code that I should be writing to select the out class? What is the code that I should be writing, guys? Please do let me know. Surya Teja, that's absolutely correct. Dot out. Okay, dot out to select the out class. Okay, I'm going to change its color, 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 and I'm going to change it to red, guys. Okay, I'm going to change the color to red. Okay, so not color, BG color. Okay, background, I'm going to change it to red, guys. Okay, I want the entire background of the div tag. Okay, whatever space that div tag is occupying, I want to make it red in color. Okay, I want to make it red in color. So I'm going to type background. Okay, I'm going to type background color and I'm going to change it to red in color. Okay, I'm going to change it to red in color, guys. So just like color, if you're just writing color, it is changing the color of the text to red. Okay, it will change the color of the text to red, guys. I want to change the entire background of the div tag to red in color. I want to change the entire background of the div tag to red in color, guys. That's the reason why I'm changing background color to red. Okay, so I will save it. I'll go back to my website. I'll reload my page. So your div tag is not visible on your screen, guys. Div tag is not visible on your screen, guys. Can you guys let me know what is the problem that is happening right over here? Could you guys let me know what is the problem that is happening right over here, guys? Could you think about it? Even wrong answers, no, don't worry about it. Okay, even wrong answers, don't worry about it. Just let me know. Are you guys able to understand? Maybe some problem is there. See, this is an empty div tag. Okay, this is an empty div tag. Okay, no height and no width. Okay, it has nothing inside of it. It has nothing inside of it. It has no height, no width. Due to that particular reason itself, the div tag occupies no space on your screen. The div tag occupies no space on your screen itself. So what we're going to do is we are going to give the div tag some height and some width, guys. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to provide it with some height and some width. So we'll increase. So what I'm typing right away, I have selector as dot out. Okay, what is this, guys? What is this code called as? Please do let me know what is this code called as. Please do let me know, guys. Okay, just a quick revision. What is this code called as? Please let me know. Quick revision, guys. Quick revision. Be fast. Okay. No, rule set is the entire code, guys. Okay, rule set is the declaration block. Mehak, that's absolutely correct. This is called as declaration block. Now I'm writing another line of code inside of my declaration block, guys. Okay, another line of code. So height, I'm setting it up as 100 pixels. Okay, and width, I'm setting it up as 100 pixels, guys. Okay, I'm setting up two more lines of CSS code that is basically inside of my declaration block itself. Okay, that is height of the div tag is also 100 pixels, width of the div tag is also 100 pixels. So now when I save this and go back to my screen and run my code, I'm able to see a red color box. Are you guys able to see this red color box, guys? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this red color box, guys? Please let me know. Great. So this is our div tag, guys. This is our div tag that has a height of 100 pixels and a width of 100 pixels as well. Let us increase the width of the div tag to 500 pixels, guys. Increase the width of the div tag to 500 pixels, not 100, 500 pixels, guys. So if I rerun this particular code, as you're able to see, my width of the div tag is 500 pixels. Okay. Width of the div tag is 500 pixels itself. Okay, now if I am trying to make the width smaller or larger, okay, the size of the div tag does not change. Okay, so this just scrolls down. Okay, this just scrolls down. Okay, as you're able to see, even by if I'm changing the width of my browser, if I'm changing the width of my browser, the width of the div tag still remains. Okay, 500 pixels. It does not change. It does not change at all. It still remains 500 pixels itself. Okay, are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. Because the width is absolute. The width is absolute. It is going to remain fixed at 100 pixels no matter what is happening. Okay, no matter what is happening, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Okay, now there is something called as percentage. Okay, there's something called as percentage, guys. Now, what do you mean by percentage? Okay, first of all, what is the parent element, guys? What is the parent element? The immediate element above the current element, right, guys? That's the parent element, the immediate element that comes above in the hierarchy, in the tree-like hierarchy that we saw. Do you guys remember that? The tree-like hierarchy, the DOM tree that we formed. Okay, the parent was the immediate, like, person, just immediate tag above the thing in the hierarchy. Do you guys remember it? Okay, so right over here, percentage basically means the width of the current element is dash percentage the width of the parent element. Okay, please understand this, guys. Okay, let me just type it out for you guys. Let me just type it out for you guys. Width of the current element is x percentage of the width of parent element. Okay, this is the line, guys. Please remember this line. Okay, for percentages, width of the current element is x percentage of the width of the parent element, guys. Width of the parent element. So let us try to understand this. What I'm going to do right over here is I'm going to have two div tags. Okay, so one is the out div tag. I'm creating another div tag inside of it, guys. Inside of it itself, having a class of in. Okay, having a class of in. Okay, so there are two div tags, guys. There are two div tags. Okay, the out div tag and the in div tag, guys. For the in div tag, let us give it also a color. Okay, let us give it a color of blue. So background color would be blue, guys. Okay, background color will be blue. We'll give it a height. Give it a height of 50 pixels. Okay, we'll give it a height of 50 pixels, guys. And we'll give it a width of, let's assume, 250 pixels. Okay, so in has a background color of blue, guys. It is present inside of the out div tag. Okay, it is present inside of the out div tag. It has a height of 50 pixels, guys. It has a width of 250 pixels. Okay, so if I'm going to my code, if I'm going to my website, I'm reloading my page. As you are able to see, there is a blue color div tag that is called as the in div tag that is present inside of my out div tag. That is almost half of it. It's almost half. It occupies the half height and half width of it. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. And even if I'm changing the width of my website, okay, the width of the elements do not change. Both the elements are fixed. Okay, both the elements are fixed right over here. Now, what if I change this from 50 pixels? Okay, the height from 250 pixels to 50%. Okay, so let's first do it for the out. Okay, let's first do it for the out class itself. We'll change the width from 500 pixels to 50%, guys. To 50%. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. To 50%, guys, and we will remove the in. Okay, we'll remove the in, guys. We don't require the in. We'll just have the out itself, out div tag, nothing else, just the out div tag. And I've changed the width to 50%. Now the width is not 500 pixels, it is 50%, guys. So I'm going back to my website, reloading my page. I just have the out div tag, and if I'm reducing the width, okay, as you are able to see, as soon as I'm reducing the width of my browser, the width of my div tag is also decreasing. It is adjusting to the width of the browser itself. Are you guys able to see this? It is 50% of the width of the browser. Why the width of the browser, guys? What is the parent element of the out div tag? What is the parent element of the out div tag, guys? Could you guys let me know? What is the parent element of the out div tag? Could you guys let me know? What is the parent element of the out div tag? Could you guys let me know? The body div tag itself, right? The body tag, and the body tag is basically whatever you are seeing on your screen. Whatever you are seeing on your screen. I've set the width of the out div tag as 50%. So it is always 50% of the parent element, that is the body tag. 50% of the parent element, that is your body tag itself, and your body tag is having a width of your screen itself. So that is the reason why when I am making this smaller as well, when I'm making the width of the screen smaller as well, the body tag is getting shorter, and due to that particular reason itself, your browser is now your div tag, out div tag, is now taking up just 50% of the width of your screen, the 50% of the width of the body tag itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Amazing. So the next thing that we want to do, is let us go to the in tag. Okay, let us go to the in tag itself, and we will make the width of the in tag as 25%. Okay, so 25% of what, guys? For the in div tag, guys, this width 25% is with respect to what element, guys? Could you guys let me know? For the in div tag, okay, the 25% is with the respect to which particular element, guys? Again, remember, it is percentage. Okay, if you guys want to see this percentage, width of the current element is 25%, the width of the parent element. Okay, what is the parent element of the in tag? Okay, what is the parent element of the in tag, guys? The parent element of the in tag is the out class, out div tag, right? So it will be 25% to the width of the out tag itself. So if we go back right over here, we reload our page, as you're able to see, the blue color div tag is 25% the width of the parent element. If I'm trying to reduce the width of the body tag itself, everything is always remaining the width of the out class. Okay, out div tag is 50% the width of the body tag, and the width of the in div tag is 25% the width of the changing width of the div tag that has the class of out. Okay, as you're able to see, it is maintaining that, guys. It is maintaining that always. Okay, so this concept of percentages, this concept of relativeness is used to make sure that your website looks good when you're using it on a desktop. It looks good when you're using it on your phone as well, because from a desktop going to a phone, the size of the browser is changing, right? Your website should look good on both of them. It shouldn't be like if you're opening a website on your desktop, everything is looking good. If you are opening up on your mobile phone, you are having a button that is of the size of North India itself. Okay, that shouldn't happen. Okay, your button should also get smaller with respect to your screen size itself. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know percentages. Have you guys understood it? Please do let me know, guys. Percentages, have you guys understood it? Please do let me know. This concept wherein the website should look good on a desktop as well as on a mobile phone, okay, is called as responsiveness, guys. Okay, it's called as responsiveness. This concept is called as responsiveness. Again, a technical term, you need to remember it. Okay, again, it's a technical term, you need to remember it, guys. Now, similar to percentages, now I'm not going to explain millimeter, centimeter, and inches. I hope everybody knows that what is a millimeter, what is a centimeter, and what is an inch. Okay, it's an absolute unit of measurement. It's a unit of measurement that we use in a daily life. You're never going to use it. It exists in CSS. You're always going to use pixels itself. Okay, so that I'm not explaining it. We will understand the rest of the stuff itself. Okay, we'll understand the rest of the stuff that is in relative units of measurements, guys. Okay, let me just open up the PPT. Where is the PPT? Relative units of measurement. So we have done with percentages. We are done with percentages itself. Okay, if both the percentages are equal, okay, so see, if you guys face some type of problems like this, for example, somebody is asking what if the both the percentages are equal. In that particular case, just draw. Okay, just draw it out. This is your body tag. This is your body tag outside. You are having a div tag having 50%. This is your div tag having the width of 50%. Then you are having the div tag in that is having a width of 50%. That is with respect to the out tag. That will be utilizing this much space. Just draw it out, as simple as that. It will take us 2 seconds to understand it, right? It will take us 2 seconds to understand it. Anytime they are stuck with understanding everything, remember this line: width of the current element is dash percentage the width of the parent element, and just draw it out. Okay, just draw it out, guys. Okay, the next thing that we want to do, the next thing that we want to understand is, let us go back. EM. Okay, let's try to understand EM first. Okay, let's try to understand EM first. I don't remember the full form of EM. I will be very frank with you. Okay, yeah, I don't remember the full form of EM. Okay, okay. So, I really don't remember. Okay, I tried to remember it, but I've forgotten about the full form of EM. But it is basically relative to the font size. Okay, EM is basically relative to the font size, guys. EM is basically relative to the font size. Okay, emphasize. Okay, I don't remember. It must be emphasis itself, but I don't remember the full form of EM. But no issues. What we are going to do right now is that we are going to use EM. Okay, so right over here, we'll have some text. Okay, we'll remove the div tags. We'll have some text. We'll have a paragraph text itself. We'll have this is DevTown. Okay, this is DevTown, guys. So I'm saving it right over here, and I'm going back to my website. I'm reloading my page. This is our text, right? Okay, this is our text. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. This is the current size of our text, guys. The current size of our text. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to go to our code. We are going to add a class right over here. Class, we'll put it up at txt text itself. Okay, we'll put up the class as txt text. We're going to go into our styles. We're going to remove everything from right over here. And we are going to put up .txt to get the access to the class. And we're going to change the font size. Okay, we are going to change the font size using EM, guys. Using EM. So if I put it as 2EM, guys, okay, EM basically means 2 times the current font size. Okay, 2 times the original font size. This is the origin. This is the default font size of the paragraph tag, guys. This is the default font size of the paragraph tag. We want to make it 2 times larger. Okay, we want to make it 2 times larger, guys. Are you guys able to understand it? So 1 EM is default font size. Okay, that is the default font size itself. If I write in 2 EM, that means twice the original size. 3 EM means thrice the original size. 4 EM means 4 times the original size itself. So if I'm writing not the current size, original size, please remember this. Okay, the original size, this is the original size, x pixels. Okay, 18 pixels, but x pixels right over here. Okay, that's the original size. Right now what you're going to do is you're going to make it twice bigger. 2 EM means 2 times x. 3 EM means 3 times the original size, 3x, guys. Please remember this, guys. Please remember this. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is that we are going to write 2 EM. We are going to save it. Okay, we are going to come right over here. We are going to reload our page. As you are able to see, this is twice the original size right now. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. This is twice the original size, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. Great. Similar to that, if I want to make it twice the current size, then I have to write 4 EM, because 2 EM is twice the original size. I want to do 2 times the current size, that is 4 EM, guys. 4 EM, 4 times the original size. Okay, so I'm saving this right over here. 4 EM will make this 2 times larger. So if this is the current size, 4 EM is making this 2 times larger than the current size itself. Exactly. XEM means X times the original text itself. X times the original text itself. Okay, and the original text was 16 pixels. Okay, the original text was 16 pixels itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand EM, guys? Please do let me know. Amazing. You guys are so smart, man. You guys understood it in just one go. Amazing, guys. Amazing. The next particular tag that we want to understand, sorry, the next particular unit of measurement that we want to understand is about VW, guys. VW. Now, VW is very similar to percentages, guys. VW is very similar to percentages. So, could you guys write down in the live chat what was the rule to remember when using percentages? Could you guys write down in the live chat what was the rule to remember for percentages, guys? Could you guys write it down in the live chat? Okay, could you guys write it down in the live chat, guys? What was the rule to remember percentages? X% of the parent element. Good, guys. Amazing. X% of the parent element, right? Now, viewport width. Okay, VW, the full form of VW is viewport width, guys. Okay, viewport width. Viewport width basically means whatever you want to set up the, so for example, XVW I'm writing. Okay, XVW. So let us go back to our drawing board. Okay, percentage, you are having the first particular item, that is the percentage itself. That basically means X% of parent element, right? This is the right thing. Now if I'm writing for VW, that basically means XVW basically means X% of viewport or X% of body tag. Okay, so VW basically works in such a case that no matter what is the parent, no matter what element is the parent, if you are using viewport width, it is always percentage of the body tag itself. It is always the percentage of the body tag. Okay, that's the only difference between percentage and viewport width. Okay, it's the only difference, guys. Percentage means with respect to the parent element. For VW, it is with respect to the body tag. Always with respect to the body tag itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Body tag width, huh? Always remember this because it is viewport width. Okay, it is viewport width. So body tag width. Always with respect to the body tag width itself. And similar to that, if you guys have understood VW, okay, so let us try to understand it. Let us go back. Let's try to understand this. Okay, first let's try to understand this. I'll change my code. I'll change my code in its entirety. I'll go back to the original code. I'll go back to the original code right over here as well. Remove everything. Okay, so div tag right over here, div tag right over here. Right over here, the in tag is 25% of the out tag. In tag is 25% of the out tag because percentage. So with respect to your out tag itself. So right over here, this is what you are able to see on your screen. Right over here, this is how you are able to see it on your screen, guys. You are having this particular element. Okay, you are having this particular element itself, and inside of that, it is 25% with respect to the out. 25% with respect to the out, guys. Now, if I change it to 25 VW, change it to 25 VW itself, it is 25% of the body tag. This is 25% of the body tag because with respect to the parent element. So out tag has the parent element of body tag itself, and this is VW. So it is with respect to the body tag once again, but 25% of the body tag, not 25% of the parent element, 25% of the body tag itself. So if I'm saving this, if I'm going back to my website, you will be able to see that now this will become 25% with respect to the entire thing. It will be bigger. Okay. And as you're able to see, it is bigger. It is 25% with the respect of the body tag itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. See, if you don't understand all these things, you are not going to become a developer. Okay, if you are planning on doing React JS, you're planning on doing backend web development, everything. If you don't know the basics of HTML and CSS, everything is CSS is something that you're going to use everywhere. But you have to make your website look beautiful. Nobody wants to use a shitty ass website itself. Okay, in today's days especially. Okay, somebody will come up with a much more beautiful website than you, and he will get all the clients, not you. So you need to learn these basic things of web development, guys. These basic things of web development is very important. Okay, these basic things of web development is very important, guys. Okay, good. So VW basically means with respect to the viewport width. Okay, that is the width of your entire screen itself. So if I'm making this smaller as well, it is also responsive in nature. It is always maintaining 25% of the viewport width. That is the width of your entire screen. Okay, that's the difference between VW and percentage. Now, can you guys let me know what is the meaning of VH? We have learned about VW. We have learned about VW, guys. So can you think about what will be the meaning of VH, guys? Can you guys let me know what will be the meaning of VH? And you will only answer me, guys. You have understood about VW. It will be very easy to understand about VH, guys. Yes, the answer is viewport height. Okay, viewport height. So that depends upon the height of your body tag. What is the height of your body tag, guys? So if this is the height of your body tag, then your width of the element will change with the width of the body tag. Right now our width is fixed. Okay, if you guys remember, our width height is fixed, guys. Okay, 100 pixels right over here, and then you are having somewhere around 50 pixels right over here. It is fixed. So now if you change it to viewport height or VH, now your height will be dependent upon the height of your body tag. Your height will of the body tag itself. That is the major advantage of viewport height. Okay, it remains around the body tag itself, so that you guys are easily able to understand, right, guys? Viewport height, you guys are easily able to understand. Please let me know. You guys are easily able to understand that. Please let me know, guys. Amazing, guys. Amazing. You guys are so smart. You guys are so smart. Like the class is going so well that yes, at the end I will have a small surprise for you. Okay, the class is going so well that yes, I'm thinking I will have a surprise for you at the end of the class itself. Okay, so these are the basic like culmination of what we have learned up till now, guys. Okay, so let's try to revise it once. Let's try to revise it once, guys. The first is em, guys. The first is em relative to the font size of the element. Related to the font size of the element. 2 em means 2 times the size of the current font. Okay, as simple as that, guys. VW viewport width, guys. Viewport width, 1% of the width of the viewport or the body tag. Okay, 1% of the width of the viewport or body tag itself, guys. Okay, VH, guys, 1% of the height of the viewport, that is the body tag. Okay, body tag, guys, VH, and percentage is dash many percentage relative to the parent element, whatever the parent element be. Whatever the parent element be. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. If we use inches, so that is absolute unit of measurements. It won't change. Okay, it is not relative, it is absolute. Okay, so right over here, these are the absolute unit of measurements. Pixels, 1 pixel is 1/96th of an inch. 1 inch is to 2.54 centimeters, guys. 2.54 centimeters. And then you know centimeters and millimeters, so that need not be explained. So if you set your width or height of a particular object or a particular tag using absolute unit of measurements, that won't work, guys. That won't work. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to see some of the problem statements to understand it. Okay, we're going to see some problem statements to implement it and to learn a little bit more as well. So for this particular problem statement, all you have to do is type the CSS to change a border, cursor change, and box shadow for an image. Okay, this is what we want to do. So what we're going to do is we are going to get an image first of all. Okay, first of all, we'll get an image for us. So we'll remove everything from right over here. We'll get an image. So which image should we use? That is also a question. So let us put the image that is from here itself, logo.png. So we already had an image that we uploaded yesterday. So /logo.png, guys, png. alternate text that we have already learned yesterday. So we'll put it up as MDN logo. Okay, this is also something that we have learned yesterday. So we will have an image on our screens, guys. We'll have an image on our screen. So I'm reloading this. We are having an image on our screen, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Great. So now our task is to first of all add a border to our image. Okay, the first task is to add a border to our image, guys. Now let's assume I don't know how to add a border to an image. Okay, I learned about it, I forgot about it, or I didn't even study about it as well. The first thing that I know is always remember we need to put a class right over here, guys. We need to use a class right over here, and that class will be your let's take MDN. Okay, we'll put the class name as MDN. First, we'll select that class .mdn, and this is where we are going to write all our code. Okay, that is where we are going to write all our CSS. Now, I want to change the border attribute, guys. Let's assume I don't know what is border as well. So I'll go to my website, guys. I'll go to my Google. Sorry, not my website. Google. I will search about it. Okay, as simple as that. I'll search about it. border CSS. Okay, just simple border CSS, guys. And I will go to my all. Okay, I will go to all. The first link that is opening up, CSS border W3 schools. I'll just click on it. Okay, 3 CSS border W3 schools as well. I will just go and read it. As simple as that. Just go and read it. How can we do that? What are the attributes that are there? Okay, what are the different things that I can change about it as well? Just go and read it, guys. As simple as that. Okay, if you are not able to understand it, there are so many different things, guys. You can go with MDN web dogs, the first thing that I told you, guys. Okay, MDN web dogs, guys. And go with the web dogs as well. Just look at it. Okay, what are the different things that you can do right over there? What are the things that you can put up right over there as well? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain it to you, guys. Okay, first I want to change the border property, border itself. Once you have set up the property, guys, once you have set up the property itself, the next thing that you want to specify is the width. Okay, recorded video. MD, what is the recorded video that you want? Okay, the first thing that we want is our what is the width of our border. Okay, let's fix it up at 2 pixels. Okay, what about this, guys? 2 pixels. No, let's fix it up as 5 pixels. Okay, 5 pixels width. Will that be fine, guys? 5 pixels width all around the entire image. That would be a good border, right, guys? Please let me know. Okay, so it picks up the width as 5 pixels, guys. We'll pick up the width as 5 pixels. So the first thing that we'll be writing is 5 pixels. Okay, the first thing that we'll be writing as 5 pixels, guys. Okay, the next thing that we want to write is what is the color of our border. Okay, what is the color of our border, guys? So let us put up the color as salmon. Okay, let us put up this color as salmon. Okay, and we'll save it. Okay, we'll save it for right now. Let's see what happens to our image. Let's see what happens to our image, guys. We are not able to see anything. Are you guys able to see anything? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see anything? Please do let me know. I'm not able to see anything, guys. I'm not able to see anything. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. I'm not able to see anything, guys. So why is that the case, guys? Why is that the case? Because this border attribute requires some more options, some more information about the border, and that is what type of border that you need, guys. That what type of border that you need. Okay, so that type is solid, guys. SOLID. That is the border that I want, guys. I want a solid border around my image. I want a solid border around my image, guys. So I'll go back to my website. I will just reload my page. As you're able to see, now I am able to see a solid border around my entire image having a color of salmon color. Okay, having a color of salmon color, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know, guys. So what is happening right over here is that you are having a border that is 5 pixels width. Okay, that is of 5 pixels width. That is a solid border itself having a color of salmon. You can change the type of the border. You can, so there are various different types of borders that you can have, guys. Let me show it to you, guys. So let me go to images. These are the different kinds of borders that you can have. These are the different kinds of borders that you can have. Let us go for dashed. Okay, let us go for dashed border. Right now we are having a solid border right over here. We'll go for a dashed border, guys. So change this to DASHED dashed. Okay, change it to DASHED dashed, guys. You go back to your website, reload your page. As you're able to see, now our entire border is a dashed border. Okay, our entire border is a dashed border. Want to make it dotted? Just change dash to dotted, guys. Change dash to dotted, guys. Again, we will just save this. Okay, and then go back and reload the page. As you're able to see, we are getting a dotted border. We are able to see a dotted border itself. Okay, as simple as that, guys. So you can use CSS to do a lot many number of things, guys. Okay, you can use CSS to do a lot many number of things. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So we must type the solid. Okay, you can do it solid, dash, dotted, or whatever the other cases. If you're not typing anything, that means by default there is no border to your image. If you're not typing anything, that means by default there is no border to your image. There is none. Okay, none is the border that you are having right over there. That is the reason why we're not able to see our border, guys. Okay, great, guys. Amazing, 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 guys. Amazing. Okay, so up till now, are you guys able to understand everything? Any confusion, any problem that you guys are having up till now, guys, please do let me know. Any questions, any confusions, any problem that you guys are having? Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing. You guys are so smart, man. So smart. Great, guys. Great. Okay. Okay. Now even I'm tired, man. Okay, so let us look at the next thing that we want, our PPT wants us to do. Cursor change. So it wants that when we are hovering over the image itself, okay, when we are hovering over the image, I want my cursor to be changed from an arrow. So usually your cursor looks something like this, right, guys? Usually this is your cursor, right? As soon as it hovers over the image itself, I want it to be changed into something like this. Okay, a pointer. I want it to, so it looks like a middle finger, but it's actually a pointer. Okay, I should just like change it. It looks like a middle finger. Let us remove this. My drawing is not that great. Okay. So let us draw something very appropriate. It still feels like a middle finger itself. Yeah. I want it to be a pointer, guys. I want it to be a pointer. Okay. That is what I want it to be at. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is we want to write a code that basically change our cursor from an arrow to a pointer, guys. So let us do that. Okay, that's not a middle finger, it's a pointer. I hope some of you were able to understand. I don't have a good drawing. Okay, so CURSOR cursor, I will change it to pointer, guys. Okay, this is the code that we are going to write. Okay, we're going to change the cursor to a pointer, guys. That is what we want to do. It's not a middle finger, it's a pointer. You will see that. Okay, you will see that. So we will save this, we'll go back to our website, we'll reload our page. Just look at the pointer, guys. Just look at the arrow. As soon as I'm hovering over the image, itself, it's get converted into a pointer. Are you guys able to see this? It looks something like this. Okay, so my drawing was fucked up, but this looks proper. Okay, so are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. Okay, it gets converted into a pointer, guys. Okay, gets converted into a pointer. Normally it's an arrow, as you're able to see. Normally it's an arrow. As soon as I go over it, as soon as I go over the image itself, it gets converted into a pointer. It gets converted into a pointer, guys. Okay, so that yeah, it's not a middle finger, it's a pointer. Okay, good. So the next thing that we want, our PPT wants us to do is box shadow. Okay, box shadow, guys. So that we will do it tomorrow. Okay, that we will do it tomorrow, guys. Were you guys able to understand everything up till here, guys? Please do let me know. Can we get middle finger in place of a pointer? Rohit, yes, actually you can. I have already tried it in college. So I did that in college itself to fuck up one of my professors. I didn't like that professor, and he told me to create a website for his club. And there was an image of him that was there on the website as the head of the club, and that is the only property that I changed right over there, that whenever your cursor will move over that image, it will flick up a finger. So yeah, nobody knew about it till the 2 years of me graduating from college. After graduation, I changed it so that don't get caught after like 2 3 years or something like that. I even forgot about it, but actually while teaching in a class, I remembered that, oh fuck, I had done that. So I had to go back and change the entire code base once again. But yeah, that was like khatro ke khiladi for me. Okay, so you can also try that, but just make sure that you don't get caught. You are still in college, and if you get caught, it was not my idea that I put it in your brain. So it was your. I didn't say shit. I was going to delete this entire video itself. Maybe you guys find that professor and send it to him, and I'm like, "Whoa, bro, what are you doing?" Okay, so see. Always remember one thing, guys. Life is fun. Always have a lot of fun. Okay, but always keep in mind that you guys have done something to reach to the current level that you are at. Your entire life depends upon the kind of job that you guys will be doing. All see, take this very seriously. It's you who is going to decide, not somebody else, that you are getting a job of 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs per annum, or you're getting a job that is paying you 3 lakh, 4 lakh rupees per annum. You are the ones who are going to decide it. Your hard work, your skill set, your knowledge, it is you, not your friends, not your parents. If your parents are Ambanis, please connect me with them as well. I also require some money to enjoy my life. But see, at the end of the day, it is you who are going to decide that. So these years of your college, enjoy it. I'm not saying not to enjoy it. I also did a lot of fun in college. But when it comes to study, your friends will be doing musti with you. Maybe they are fine having a 3 lakh rupees job, a yearly 3 lakh rupees job itself. But just understand this, that the person who is working in Microsoft has a 48 lakh rupees job, the one who is working in Google has a 60 lakh rupees job, the one working in Atlassian has a 85 lakh rupees job itself, just coming after the college, and you have a 3 lakh rupees job. How many years will it take for you to have the same type of lifestyle that these guys will be able to do it in just 1 year? Maybe 10 years, 15 years of working very hard, and then your entire lifestyle will get fucked up. You won't be able to enjoy your life in 3 lakh rupees per year. I'm telling you guys right now itself. Okay, make sure that you guys are working hard. This is the time to work hard. Okay, never ever. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? See, if you guys feel that I'm bullshitting you or something like that, it's fine. Okay, it's your personal choice itself. Coming from a senior, I was not from a very good college. Okay, I was from a okayish type of college. Okay, good companies came to our college itself. I was not from Birla Institute of Technology, Pilani. Okay, I'm not from there. Okay, please don't confuse it. I'm not from Pilani. I'm from BIT. Okay, I'm from BIT, but from like Mesra. Okay, it's not Pilani. Okay, it's a secondary college that has a very similar name. So everybody keeps on confusing it, and after some time, I stopped explaining it as well. That, are you from BIT? I'm like, yes, I'm from BIT. It's Pilani itself. Like, who the fuck is going to know? But yeah, it's not Pilani. It was Meshra, and it's a good college. I won't say that it's a bad college or something, but it's no to the level of tier 2 or tier 1 colleges itself. It's a good college, but the point is that you need to make sure that how you are going to study everything at any particular point of time. Okay. Okay. We have 30 more minutes to share the attendance. I'll give it in 5 minutes. I'll give it in 10 minutes. I'll tell you guys when. Okay. Okay, great, guys. Okay, surprise. So, how are you guys ready for the surprise, guys? Please do let me know. Are you guys ready for the surprise, guys? Please do let me know. See, it's not actually a surprise. It's a little bit more of a knowledge transfer itself. It's a gyan that I'm going to impose upon you. But yeah, so basically, for the past 2 years, we have trained over 5,500 students up till now, 5,800 students up till now. Out of that, we have placed more than 5,000 students up till this particular point of time. with an average package in full stack web development around 14.7 lakhs per annum, and in data science we have got an average package of 13.3 lakhs per annum. That is the average package we have given our students up till now. All these placements, we have given them internships, we have given them everything. So a few months back, we started reaching out to the companies that we were getting our students placed. We started to ask them that, okay, how are our students? Are they good? Okay, are they working fine? Is everything working out for you guys? We were just taking a review from the company itself, that is our student that is joining your company, that we fought with so many people to get them into your company, are they doing good or not? So most of our companies, so we have some 36 companies that continuously hire from us. You guys must have seen it in the attendance sheet as well, right? In the attendance sheet I posted my, like, what are the companies that are currently hiring from us. So we have 9 students who got placed into Microsoft per month. So Google hires 7 students from DevTown per month. That is higher than any IIT. Amazon hires 9 students from us. Gap Inc. hires 12. Samsung hires 15. So these are the people that, these are the companies that provide our students with internships, with placements. So we started asking them how our students are doing and everything. So we got a lot of reviews, guys. We got a lot of reviews from these companies. One of the major reviews were that the students are good, but they don't have a lot of like experience on how to talk properly. Yeah, I don't know why they can't. I was getting this review from them, but they were doing exceptionally well in these companies. Okay, they were doing exceptionally well in these companies itself. So some of the companies, okay, some of the companies, we talked to them into giving our students an opportunity to actually intern with them as well. Okay, to intern with companies like Amazon, to intern with companies like Walmart, to intern with companies like the other companies that are there that are currently hiring from us. And it is very, 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 very good, and we are very lucky as well that almost 18 different companies agreed to hire from us as well. Almost 18 different companies agreed to hire from us. So we have companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, British Airways, who are currently offering our students a 1 month guaranteed internship at their company. 1 month guaranteed internship at their company without any cost. Okay, we are doing it for free itself. They don't have any cost associated with. Any student that is trained via DevTown is capable into getting a 1 month guaranteed, and it's not as if there are no interviews, there are no exams, nothing. Guaranteed 1 month internship in data analyst and software engineering at these companies. The next particular company set is your full stack web developers and software engineers. For that, we are having Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft. You are having Amazon, Accenture, you are having Walmart, Infosys, you are having HP. All these companies are currently offering a 1 month guaranteed internship. And then we are having our cyber security. In cyber security, we don't have a lot of companies. I'm being very frank with that. Most of the companies don't hire for cyber security itself. But yeah, so these are offering 1 month guaranteed internship by like MasterCard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC itself. These are all the companies that are currently giving us 1 month guaranteed internship. And the best part about it is that if you guys are performing well in these internships, if you guys are performing well in these internships, then you're getting placements as well right over there. Directly placements as well right over there itself. Okay. So that is something that we have been able to achieve in the past 2 years. And that is not something that any company right now in the entire world is able to offer to our students itself, because it's actually not something that is possible. We were able to do that. Okay, we were able to do that due to just 2 reasons: because of our training and placement programs itself. Due to that, because the entire internship is free. We don't charge anything for the internship, but nothing. Okay, the entire internship is free. We don't charge about it as well. We just make you guys ready for the internship, that when the internship starts, you should actually be able to perform well during these internships. Otherwise there's no point, right? If it's a guaranteed internship, you are going right over there. But if you're not able to perform well, there's no point in that, right? So we prepare you guys for an internship itself. We get you those internships. We make sure that your profile is up to the mark. We provide you guys with placement opportunities. Like I said, we have some 36 different companies that are currently hiring from us, including Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Gap, Samsung, Geo, Flipkart, Oracle, Walmart, that hires 800 students from us on a monthly basis. So what we do is, for 3 months we train our students. Okay, for 3 months we train our students itself to get them ready for these internships. For internship we don't charge anything. For our training itself, that is something that we charge for, because the internships are only available for our training students. The internships are only available for our training students itself. So we charge 3,500 rupees from our students that we are currently training itself. Once we train those students, they get their 1 month guaranteed internship at the company of their choosing. They get their 1 month internship for the company of their choosing itself. And yes, during that 3 months of internship, that 3 months of training that we offer, we give our students the opportunity to get a internship certificate from DevTown, as well a letter of recommendation from DevTown. So we grow their profile, and then we get companies to hire from us directly itself. The cost of the entire program is 3,500 rupees for the training. And those students who are in the training itself, okay, those students who are in the training itself, these guys will get the internship as well. That will be a guaranteed 1 month internship. That will be a remote internship itself. That will be a remote internship itself, guys. So can you guys let me know how many of you guys, okay, how many of you guys are interested in this? Okay, how many of you guys are interested in this? The training will also be online itself. The training will be completely online. Okay, how many of you guys are interested in this? Because we had actually 60 seats, but in the previous bootcamp, a lot of students enrolled, so some extra seats have been given to us. So we have some 30-40 seats itself. Okay, so a lot of students are actually interested in it. Flexibility in time, so it's flexible itself. You don't have to worry about it. There are two kinds of classes that we have. Both the students get the internship. Both the students have the guaranteed internship itself. One batch that we have is of 3,500 rupees. That is a self-paced program. Okay, there will be recorded classes. There will be the doubt sessions as well. You don't have to worry about anything. And the second one is live. So for example, if somebody wants, it doesn't like to listen to recordings or learn from that, we have a live training program as well. In that, it's a 3.5 months training program wherein all the classes are live on Zoom every single day for 2 hours via instructors from Google, Amazon, HP, Porsche, McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, American Express, Goldman Sachs, Oracle, Cisco, Sony, Microsoft, as well as Google. So I'm also there. So these are all the instructors that will be training you guys live in the evening for 2 hours, and then 1 hour of doubt session as well. So if you guys are not interested in that, like you don't want a live session class, you want just the recordings itself, you guys can definitely take up the recorded one, and that will be from the cost will be for recordings will be 3.5k, and that is 3,500 rupees Indian rupees itself. And for your live program, the cost is 7,500 rupees. Now, in both the programs, we'll be teaching you guys everything: C++, Java, then data structures and algorithms, competitive programming. We will be teaching you guys, for example, if I'm choosing full stack web development and front end web development, back end web development, DevOps, and cloud computing. In data science, we'll be teaching you guys 18 machine learning algorithms, 6 deep learning algorithms, SQL and Excel and everything. In cybersecurity, everything will be taught to you guys as well. And the best part is, there is no prerequisites. There are no prerequisites whatsoever. Nothing. Zero. The only prerequisite that is there is, are you ready to give 3 months to us? That is the only prerequisite itself. That's the only prerequisite itself. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay, we got students who joined us from non-IT backgrounds as well. For example, we have students in civil, chemical, mechanical. We have students in commerce, we have students in BSc, MSc, we have students from metallurgy, we have students from mechanical engineering, we have students from maritime engineering, merchant navy. Some of our students from merchant navy got placed. Merchant navy, it's not even related to BTech. They got placed as a front end developer in on React, a React front end developer in Amazon. That is also something that we have. And we have students from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, even students having 5 to 10 years of gap that are joining us. So that is how we run the entire thing, guys. That is how we run the entire things. But what I will be suggesting, for example, all these 7 students that got placed into Google, they joined us in their first year itself. All these 7 students that got placed into Google, they joined us in the first year itself. The early that you are able to join, the better your chances are into getting big companies, because you are investing that much time to actually grow yourself and to get ready for the same as well. So I've shared you guys all these information. So now could you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested into joining the training and internship, guys? Could you guys let me know? C++, DSA, CP, everything will be covered right over there. Okay. How many of you guys are interested to join the training and internship, guys? Could you guys let me know, so that I'm having a certain idea of how many guys are actually interested for the same? So let me do one thing, guys. Let me do one thing. Those who are interested for that, okay, you guys can register yourself right now. Okay, you guys can register yourself right now itself. I'm providing you guys a registration link of 500 rupees. Okay, just 500 rupees right now, so that you guys are able to register yourself. And once you're registering yourself, a representative from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys, and then you can complete your entire registration in the next 4 days. And complete your entire registration in the next 4 days itself. And by paying the rest of the amount, that is, for example, if you're choosing the recorded program, that is 3,500 rupees, you're registering yourself right now for 500 rupees, you can complete the rest of the amount, that is 3,000 rupees, in the next 4 days, and you can completely register yourself for the same. Okay, so I'm providing you guys with the registration link right now. Those who are interested to join, okay, to get the internship itself via companies like Amazon, JP Morgan and Chase. Guys, these companies don't even come to colleges as well. These are the companies that don't even come to colleges. So I feel that this is a golden opportunity for you guys. Yes, 3,500 rupees for the entire 3 months of internship, guys. 3,500 rupees, that is for the entire 3 months of internship, guys. As well as if you guys want to go for the 7.5 program, that is for the live training, you guys can definitely go right over there as well. Okay. What is the curriculum for the 3 months? Sure, I will share that with you guys as well. I'll share that with you guys. Those who are interested to register for the 3 months of training and then 1 month of internship, you guys can approach us. You guys can register yourself right now from this link that I have placed, I've pinned in the live chat as well. In the meantime, I will show you guys what will be covered during these 3 months. Okay, what will be covered during these 3 months as well. So for both the live program as well as the recorded program, the syllabus is the exact same. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, I'm from MA, from 10 years experience in IT now. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. The oldest person that I've ever taught was of 67-year-old woman. That was from Accenture. I don't know why she joined the program, but that was the oldest person that I've ever taught. It was so awkward in the class usually. I had to call her ma'am, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Whatever doubts were there, I was like, yes, ma'am, I will answer that doubt. And it was very hard to explain her. But yes, we tried our level best, guys. So like I said, guys, you will be starting out with C++, data structures and algorithms, as you are able to see. This is what you will be learning right now, guys. Then you will be having basics of web development. First of all, HTTP, HTTPS, HTML, CSS, Git, GitHub, version control, responsive designs with CSS, grid and box layout, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap CSS, ES6. Then you will be having your React.js, guys. You will be learning React.js, component lifecycle models, then third-party components, webpack, styling in React, routing in React, React hooks, state management in React, Redux, connecting to backend. Then you will be going further with backend web development, Node.js, Express, microservice architecture, MongoDB, RESTful APIs, validation and error handling. You'll be having authentication and security as well. Then you'll be having DevOps right over here, guys. In DevOps, you will be covering Docker, containers, Kubernetes, CI/CD, and then your cloud computing that will be with AWS. You'll also be making a lot of projects, guys. So, for example, the Book My Show clone, the Zomato front end clone, the book management API, Zomato backend clone itself, and so on and so forth. The online course is showing 10K. Yes, Ganesh, we have to do that because we want to offer EMIs to you, but EMIs is not available. That is the reason why on our website we make sure that it is 10K so that we get the EMIs itself. But the course price is for recorded sessions 3.5K, and for the live sessions that is 7.5K. Okay, that is the amount, guys. If you guys want to register yourself, okay, those guys who are interested for the same, these guys can register yourself right now itself using this registration link. They can register yourself right now using this registration link, guys. Okay, and please, guys, if you are registering yourself, do let me know in the live chat so that I'm able to understand this. The entire training as well as the internship will be online. Okay, will be online itself. Okay, more topics in small span of period. How it's possible? So what we do is the entire class goes on for 2 hours every single day for 6 days a week itself for 3.5 months. That is how much time that we take to cover up the entire thing. Okay, it is 2 hours every single day, 6 days a week for 3.5 months. That is how we do the entire program, guys. Okay. When will the batch start? So if you are going for the self-paced program, that is 3,500 rupees, the batch is going to start immediately as soon as you complete your registration. If you are going to choose for the live program, you can join the batch that has started just yesterday itself. You can join that batch. You can join the batch that is going to start from the 15th of February as well. So both you can join it. Okay. Will we not get an opportunity for an offline internship? So if you are doing good in the online internship, then yes, you will get opportunities to do an offline internship as well. Okay, so for example, if you guys are having some examinations or something like that, you can register yourself right now and you can enroll, you can choose, you can push your internship date. You just have to let us know that I will be doing the internship after 6 months. We'll make sure that an email is going to the company that okay, this child will be doing the internship after 6 months. So we will be able to reschedule your internship as well. We'll be able to reschedule your internships as well. So how the doubts are cleared in the recorded sessions. So you'll be having an access to a portal for doubts itself. You can post your doubts right over there, and teaching assistants from DevTown will be helping you guys out to solve your doubts. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. So for those guys who want to take part in the training and internship, like I said, guys, the internship will be remote, okay, will be unpaid, and will be of 1 month guaranteed without any exams, without anything. This 1 month internship, because this is an internship certificate coming directly from Amazon, directly from JB Morgan and Chase, it has a lot of weightage, guys. It has a lot of weightage, and if you guys are doing good in that internship, you are getting placement opportunities right over there. These companies don't even come to most of the colleges. These companies don't even come to most of the colleges, guys. Okay, so for those guys who want to join the training and internship, you guys can connect, you can register yourself right now using this particular link, and somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys very soon. Okay, yes, you will be getting the guaranteed internship for self-paced program as well as for live program. That is up to you which one you want to join. So can I start in March month? Yes, Arun, you can register yourself right now and you can start in the March month as well. You have to complete your registration in the next 4 days so that we are able to send the emails that when you want to join to the companies itself. Okay. Yes, Pradeep, you can pay the amount in installments as well. There are a lot of EMI options that are available, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Can we get this opportunity? Sir, okay, I am not able to see that. just went away. Okay, so like I said, guys, those who are interested in the program, they can register yourself right over here using this particular link. If you have some doubts or queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number as well. Okay, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number and we will be able to help you guys out. Now I'll be showing you guys the attendance link for today. Okay, now I'll be showing you guys the attendance link for today. After the attendance itself, I will be sitting here. If you guys have any questions or any queries, I will be answering those. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, I'm putting up the WhatsApp link right over here. If you guys have any questions, any queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number as well. I'll be giving you guys the attendance for today. Okay, I'll be giving you guys the attendance for today. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Those guys who are interested to register for the training and internship, you guys can do your pre-registration of just 500 rupees. The rest of the amount, if you're going with the pre-recorded one, that is the 3000 rupees that is left. Otherwise, you're going for the live, that is 7000 rupees. You have to completely register yourself within the next 3 days, 3 to 4 days itself. The amount, complete amount for the entire 3 months of training and internship for the pre-recorded one is 3500 rupees, and for the live session, that is 7 day, every single day, 2 hours live, and then 1 hour of live doubt sessions on Zoom call and everything, that would be costing you guys about 7500 rupees for the entire 3 months. Yes, this is open even for international students as well, because this is a remote internship that is there. Even you guys can join it. Even you guys can join it because it's a remote internship. So we have students joining us from Kenya, we have students joining us from Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, US, UK, UAE. We have people joining us from Spain, Italy as well, even from Russia. I didn't knew people were there from Russia who will be joining us. Okay, so I'm giving you guys the attendance link for today, guys. After the attendance link, I'm still here. Okay, I'm still here. So if you guys have any questions or queries, you guys can reach out to me right over here and I'll be helping you guys out with the same. Okay, so the attendance link, I'm providing it to you guys right over here. Okay, the internship is for free. We are not charging anything for the internship. I've provided you guys the attendance link. Please tell the course flow of cybersecurity as well. Sure, I will be providing you guys with the course flow of cybersecurity as well. So for cybersecurity, if I go right over there, let me just open it up, devtown.in. Courses, let us go to industrial program, cybersecurity, download syllabus. Okay, so right over here, as you're able to see, these are the cybersecurity protocols. You will be starting out with the basics, that is fundamentals of cybersecurity. Okay, you will be having uh, Rahane, because this is a guaranteed internship, you are not having any kind of interviews or any kind of examinations for it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. That is the reason why it is unpaid. But once you have completed your internship and you're doing good, then your paid internship will also start, as well as your job opportunities will be directly given to you guys. Timings for online. The timings for online, for example, if you're choosing the live class, okay, the live training and internship program, that will be in the evening after 7 o'clock. In the evening after 7 o'clock, because most of our instructors are currently working in companies and you guys are also having colleges itself. Okay, so right over here, as you're able to see, in cybersecurity, you will be learning about your networking, IPv4, IPv6, private IP. You will be having public IP, MAC addresses. You'll be having three-way handshake, ports and protocols. Then you will be having your web application penetration and security tools. So all of these will be covered right over here. In Linux and OWASP will be there, and cryptography. Okay, and at the end, interview questions for the same. So that is all that will be there, guys. For those who are interested in the training and internship, these guys can stay back, others can leave. Okay, if you guys have any question related to the training and internship, you guys can stay back, others can leave as well. If you guys have any questions or any queries, okay, you guys can stay back, otherwise you can leave. Okay, like I said, guys, if you guys have any questions or queries, you guys can register yourself right now itself. Okay, you guys can register yourself right now itself. Are they taking an interview before giving the internship? No, not at all. Okay, no, not at all. It's a guaranteed internship itself. Okay, job is remote or not? So yes, most of the jobs is remote because international students are also there. Okay, then you are having the question, how many hours of course does the pre-recorded one has? A lot, actually, more than 200 hours, I guess. More than 200 hours, I guess. Okay. Okay. If you guys have any doubts or any questions, you guys can ask me, guys. There's no issues in that. Okay, so right over here, Priya Anand is from DevTown itself. You don't have to worry about it. So this is the syllabus for full stack web development, guys. You guys will be starting for every course. You'll be starting out with C++, data structures and algorithms. Then you will be going towards the basics of web development protocols, HTML, CSS, GitHub version control, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap CSS. Then you will be having your front end web development with React. Then you will be doing your back end web development. Then you will be having your DevOps concepts as well as cloud computing. And the companies that will be made available for your full stack web development will be companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JB Morgan and Chase, Lyft, AWS, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, HP. So all these people will be made available, and these companies will be giving you guys a 1 month guaranteed internship. Okay, a 1 month guaranteed internship, guys. The cost of the program, cloud computing internship and training, so that is already covered in full stack development training and internship, because cloud computing is already there, and AWS is one of the partners that is already offering 1 month internship. So if you are interested in cloud computing, you will have to take up the full stack development training and internship itself. Okay. Sir, I enrolled in the internship program yesterday. Will I be getting some sort of email or something for registering the class? Yes, you'll be soon getting it. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, we will have access to recorded videos after 3 months. You will have lifetime access to the recorded videos. That is the best part. Lifetime access to the recorded videos, guys. Okay, lifetime access. And this is the sample certificate, guys. I think so. I'm having the sample certificate as well. Let me check. Let me check, guys, if I'm having a sample certificate to show to you guys. Okay, let me check. Okay, I have a sample certificate, guys. I will have to find it. I also don't remember where I have kept it. Okay, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Let me check it out if I have it or not. Okay, so yes, I am having the sample certificate as well, guys. I'm having the sample certificate as well. So this is the example sample certificate for the data analyst consulting and virtual training, guys. Data analyst consulting and virtual internship via KPMG. Your name will be there, the month that you have interned with them, and what are different topics that you guys have learn right over there. Like I said, guys, for the recorded training and internship, you'll have lifetime access to all the video recordings. You don't have to worry about it. You'll be having lifetime access to all the video recordings, guys. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Okay. Unexpected moments, you can register yourself right now. Okay, you can register yourself right now and start the internship or start the training after 2 months. There's no issues in that. You can. So for those who are interested, okay, those who are interested for the training and internship, guys, you guys can register yourself right now. When is the last date for completing the program? There's no last day. Whenever you complete the program, after that you can start with the internship. There's no issues in that. Blockchain course, when you are going to create, not right now. We only have those courses where we are able to guarantee an internship to our students, where we are able to guarantee our internship to our student. Okay, Pradhan, like I said, if you want to start it after 4 months, because we don't know if we will have seats after 4 months or not. Right now we have seats. So if you are registering yourself right now, you can tell us to reschedule your internship after 4 months or after 8 months, and we'll do that for you. You don't have to worry about it. So you can register yourself right now itself, guys. Right now itself. Okay. Is there any Salesforce developer internship? See, Salesforce people are paid 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakh rupees itself. The average placement for full stack developer is 14.7 lakhs per annum. The average placement for data analyst is 13.3 lakhs per annum. For cybersecurity is 12.67 lakhs per annum, guys. And do you want to go for Salesforce? I am not able to understand it. For those who are interested, yes, please let me know, Sohan Pathan, what is your question? Okay. ऑटोमेटिकली रिडायरेक्ट हो रहा है, रीबूट पेज और फिल डिटेल्स ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट हो रहे हैं, कैप्चा रिडायरेक्ट हो रहा है स्क्रीन सबमिट करने के बाद. विपुल त्यागी, द अटेंडेंस लिंक इज वर्किंग, एज यू आर एबल टू सी इट्स वर्किंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. देयर इज नो इश्यूज with the attendance link itself. Okay, there's no issues with the attendance link whatsoever. Everything is working out fine, guys. There's no issues with the attendance link, guys. Okay. Like I said, guys, can it take 6 months to complete the recorded course? Yes, Akhilesh, you can take up 12 months to complete the recorded course. Once you complete the recorded course, only then we'll give you the internship. You don't have to worry about it, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Dwarkesh, you can immediately register yourself for the DevTown training and internship, and we'll figure something out for you. You don't have to worry about it. Need some time? I need to talk to this with my parents. Can I register myself after some days? Rutika, you can talk to them tomorrow itself and get the confirmation from them. Okay, if it's possible, because we have limited number of seats. Okay, so that is the reason why. What about free internship? So the internship is still free. We are not charging anything for the internship. It is available only for our training and placement, like training people itself. Okay, I'm completed my diploma. Can I join this training and internship? Yes, you can join it. Is live class also lifetime access? Yes, the recordings of the live class will also be provided to you guys with a lifetime access itself. Okay, ma'am, I paid. I'm a sir. Okay, I'm not a ma'am. I paid 500 rupees for the 3,500 rupees course. Now, what should I do next, and where should I get the lectures? Prahar Malvia, you will get a message on WhatsApp very soon for completing your registration. You complete your registration. As soon as your registration is completed, within one day, you will get an email with all the details, your ID and password, for where you can access all your courses. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it itself. Self-paced courses available for Hindi medium students or not? Nitesh, you are going for an internship with Amazon and JP Morgan and Chase. People right over there are from various different countries. You can't speak in Hindi right over there. Take up the English one itself so that you are able to understand it. Okay, you need to improve your English. Okay. Is 500 rupees possible to for extend for 6 months, or we have to pay the full amount? You have to pay the full amount, Pradeep. You have to pay the full amount in the next 4 days. Okay, then you can extend it whenever you want, because we have limited number of seats itself. Okay. So we'll get paid or not paid in the internships. Abhishek Singh, best, like I've already said, it is a guaranteed internship. There's no interview, there is no examination. You're going to get the certificates anyhow. Even if you're performing the worst in the internship, you're going to get the certificates. That is the reason why it's an unpaid internship. As soon as the internship is over, if you're doing well, then the paid internships as well as the job opportunities will come your way. Except that as well, 800 companies are currently hiring from us, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, we will be providing you guys with a lot of different things as well. Okay, can I pay full amount at one time? Nafiz Ahmed, you don't have to worry about it. You can definitely do that. Once you have paid the pre-registration fees, then you will get a message on your WhatsApp group. You can make the rest of the payment right over there. What's the difference in the live classes and the recorded sessions? So the recorded sessions are recordings itself that you can do it on your own pace. But the live classes, a person from Google, Microsoft, Amazon, okay, JP Morgan and Chase, Goldman Sachs will be coming every single day for 2 hours on Zoom calls. We'll be sitting right over there. We'll be teaching you guys everything on Zoom calls after 7 o'clock in the evening. Then 1 hour of doubt sessions after that as well. And for 3.5 months. So that is the difference between the recorded versions and the live classes itself. Okay, where I have to pay the 3K after paying 500 ohm. You will be getting a WhatsApp message very soon on your number itself. You can pay it from right over there, and somebody from our team will be helping you guys out with the same itself. Would the internships be flexible with time or fixed time itself? See, because these companies know actually that you guys are still college students itself, so it will be completely flexible. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Bootcamp name in Google form, Priya, just put the bootcamp name as Tinder clone. Okay, put the bootcamp name as Tinder clone itself. Dwarkesh, like I said, I'm a GTU student. I need an urgent internship in full stack. What can I do? Dwarkesh, you can register yourself right now for the training and internship program, and we'll get that done for you. You don't have to worry about it. 500 rupees is for the people who are interested in training and internship for 1 month guaranteed internship itself, and that is the pre-registration for that. The total amount is 3,500 rupees. Okay, Is there any other course which provides placement and not internship? Akhilesh, if you're doing well in the internship, then you're getting placements as well. Okay. And yes, as DevTown, we have 36 different companies that hire 800 students from us on a monthly basis placements. And that also you will get access to. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So what work will be done in the internship? Okay, just like a full stack web developer, whatever work is there, you will be doing that work itself. But we will be helping you guys out with that because we want you guys to succeed in that as well. Okay, when will be the campus ambassador training beginning from? Surya Teja, it will be beginning from 2 to 3 itself. Fatima, I'm having an issue with the payment. Okay, so if you guys have any issues with the payment or you guys want to reach out to a career counselor from DevTown, I'm providing you guys with the WhatsApp number as well. I'm providing you guys with a WhatsApp number as well, so you guys can reach out to us right over here, and somebody from DevTown will be helping you guys out. Okay, so I've given you guys the WhatsApp number as well as the registration link. I'm pinning it up as well. Okay, I'm pinning it up as well. As you're able to see, I'm having the WhatsApp link right over there. If you guys have any, I enter full stack development in place of Tinder clone. It's fine. Power of motivation, it's fine. We'll handle that for you. Why there is only for 1 month internship? Because it's an unpaid internship. So if you're doing well in that 1 month internship, your internship gets paid. Okay, your internship gets converted into a paid internship for as long as you want, as long as these guys are taking you in. Can first year students enroll for this internship, sir? Bhanu, yes, you can do that. Okay, yes, you can do that. Any exams for self-paced learning while in training? There are no exams. Okay, there are no exams itself. Full stack salary is usually the average placement that we have got is 14.7 lakhs per annum. The highest salary that we have got is via Microsoft, that is 48 lakhs per annum. The lowest salary that we have got is 9 lakhs per annum by TCS. Except that for data science, the highest salary that we have got is 60 lakhs per annum by Google. The average placements is 13.3 lakhs per annum, and the lowest placement that we have got is 6 lakhs per annum via data analyst. For cybersecurity, the highest package that we have got is via Goldman Sachs at 34 lakhs per annum. The average package we have got around 12.67 lakhs, and the lowest package that we have got is about 7 to 8 lakhs per annum itself for cybersecurity. Sir, in bootcamp, I wrote DevTown and paid the amount. It's fine. We will handle that for you. There's no issues in that. So those who are interested, what are the courses available? There are just 3 courses because we are able to guarantee an internship right over there, and we are able to place you guys right over there. That is data science, full stack development, and cybersecurity, guys. Okay. We are AI students. Which course we have to learn? You will be going with data science. Okay, you will be going with data science itself. For AI students, you will be going with data science. In data science, let me just show it to you guys. Okay, in data science, you guys will be learning a lot of things actually. Let me show it to you. So data scientist industrial training program. So you will be working, okay, with various different companies as well during your internship. So first, again, C++, data structures and algorithms, that is common. Then you'll be learning about Python, complete Python. Then you will be making some projects in Python that are shit. Then you will be going with statistics for data analysis. So constructs, population versus samples, all these different things that you will be doing in data analysis. Then for the project, we have collaborated with Walmart. So Walmart will be providing us with their data set that people at Walmart are working with. So you will be having a project that is an industrial level project itself. Then you will be having your introduction to data analysis. Right over there, you will be working with projects from directly Google and Uber. Then you will be having your SQL for data analysis. Right over there, you will be working with Amazon. So IMDb is basically owned with Amazon itself. So again, an industrial level project will be there. Then we'll be having data wrangling, okay, gathering data, assessing data, cleaning, working with different kinds of data itself. Then 18 machine learning algorithms and 6 deep learning algorithms. Each of the algorithms will be having their own separate projects as well. Each of the algorithms will be having their own separate projects as well. So we'll be training you guys completely for that. We'll be training you guys completely for that, guys. Okay, which is better, self-paced or live? Shiva, my suggestion would be go for live itself, of course, because when you are having an instructor that is there daily to motivate you, to push you to your limits itself, somebody to keep a track on you, it's always great. And especially when that somebody is a person from Goldman Sachs or Google. Okay, that is the best part about it. For those guys who are interested in the training and internship, guys, you guys can fill it right over here. Okay. So Talha Monins, guys, I've already taken this program. It's very good. They start with C++, then Python, DSA, fundamentals, and many more. The pace of teaching is also good. Talha, thank you so much for that. Okay. So that would be great as well. So how you got placed in the company for data science for second year only? Pravan, that was an internship. Again, you can do as many internships as possible. From the first year itself, you can do internships. That's the best part with internships itself. So do these companies have from DevTown? All these companies have from DevTown itself. Okay. So for example, I can even show you guys the students that we have placed as well. So let me just find it for you guys. devtown.in slash graduates. So these are the students that we have placed in various different companies. So Bhavya Kala got placed into Microsoft. Then Divyanka Soli got placed into Accenture. Then Ligam got placed into Flipkart. We have people in Amazon, Oracle, Geo. We have people in Gapping, Samsung, Cognizant. We have people in Cognizant, Deloitte, TCS. We have a lot of students in various different companies that we have placed. For example, we have placed students in Walmart, Barclays. We have placed students in Adani Solar, L&T, TCS. We have placed students in Case Point, in Genpact, in ZS Associates, AP Live Projects, PwC. We have stopped. We have a lot of different placements that we are currently giving to our students from big companies itself. Okay, from big companies. The class is over, guys. The class is over. The attendance link was also shared. If you guys want, I will share the attendance link for the last time. No issues in that. The class is over. The attendance link was also shared with you guys. I feel that because people have filled up the attendance link. So I hope that that was shared. This is the attendance link, guys, for those who are having any attendance link. Sir, how soon can I expect to be contacted? Already paid my pre-registration. My parents are asking. Error 404 not found. Could you tell me your name so that I can inform my team to approach you as soon as possible? Error 404 not found. Could you provide me with your name so that I can ask my team to approach you as soon as possible? Please do let me know. Error 404. How can I pay the full amount now itself? Shruti, first, you can pay the pre-registration itself. We have a particular step. Okay, so first pay the pre-registration and then the rest of the amount. Okay. So how you mean Shaurya Sinha got placed in a company in data science in the second year only? Param, like I said, I got okay. So how prepared for it? So I started my journey in data science and GSA and computer programming in my first year itself. Okay, so we have first years, we don't know how to do internships. That is the reason why we have the training program. First, we train you guys and then we send you guys for the internship. It is not as if you are directly entering into the internship. First 3.5 months, we are training you guys and then we are sending you guys for the internship itself. Okay. For those guys who want to register themselves or those who want to enter into the training and internship program, you guys can either contact us from this particular WhatsApp number or you can do your registration from right over here itself. We'll be reaching to you guys very soon. So how can we manage during semester exam? So during semester exam, because it is self-paced, you have a lot of time. Okay, you can still do the entire training in 6 months as well. Once you complete the training, then your internship starts. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. If you're going with live training as well, if your exams are there, we stop the training that you can focus upon your exams as well. So you don't have to worry about it. So please add subtitles. It's a live class. I don't know how to add subtitles, but I will say this. Can we pay the remaining 3,000 in installments? Rohit, we have an EMI option, so you can definitely do that. So do these companies hire from DevTown? Yes, I think so. I answered that. I hope. What is the highest salary for freshers and what is the domain? The highest salary was for data science. That was for 60 lakhs per annum. But the average salary was higher for full stack web development. Okay. How do we pay the 3,000? Okay, I'm so sorry with your name, but you will be getting a WhatsApp message where you can pay the rest of the 3,000 amount itself, or else somebody will be calling you for getting some details and then you can pay the rest of the amount. TL Minister, no, the internship is not paid because it's a guaranteed internship. Okay, that is the reason why it is not paid, because it's a guaranteed internship. No interview, no examinations, nothing. But if you're doing well, then yes, you will be able to get the paid internships as well as jobs. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So for those guys who are so do we get doubt sessions for recorded courses? Rohit, you will be getting a portal directly. There will be a doubt session right over there. You can post your doubt right over there, and a TA, that is a teaching assistant for DevTown, will be solving your doubt. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Will this course disturb our normal college courses? Vinay, absolutely not. And you have to do this. If you're going with just your college classes itself, you're never going to get even placed. So the topper of my college got a placement of 7 lakh rupees, and I got a placement of 60 lakh rupees. Okay, I was not the topper. I didn't had good CGPA. I had 7.4 CGPA itself. So you have to pay a lot of things. How can we pay for the fees from Pakistan? Faizan, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number itself, and the mentor right over there, the will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. So if we didn't get any attendance link, I have already distributed the attendance link 500 times. You can just check the live chat. You will be able to get it. Python full stack courses are available. Do not go with Python full stack courses. There are very little placements right over there. Your JavaScript full stack courses, you go with that. Even if you're not going with DevTown, you're learning it separately as well. Go with JavaScript, don't go with Python. You will not be able to get it. If you're going, my name is Evshita Murmu. Okay, Evshita Murmu, I will send your name to my team itself. You don't have to worry about it, and they will be contacting you very soon. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. We'll get something done for you. So this is your name. Contact for post. I'll send my team your name itself, so you don't have to worry about it. If we perform well in this internship, then we can get paid internships, right? Yes, TL Minister, yes, absolutely you can get it. As well as DevTown separately. Even if this internship does not work for you, we provide you guys with more internships, more job opportunities, paid job opportunities, and paid internships as well. Is .NET full stack available? If you were back in 2000s, yes, it was available. This is 2023, so go with JavaScript. Go with the latest trend itself. Okay. Can you tell about Spring Boot Java and its scope? It is actually good. Okay, it is actually good. You can definitely do that. But yeah, the most number of jobs that are currently available in the market is for MERN stack, especially with AWS and Docker. Okay. Do you take up projects to build up websites for client? Yes, we actually do that. So if I miss one day live session, can I get the recordings for the same session? Kenil, yes, we give you the recordings of all the live sessions as well as with the lifetime access to it. And if you're going with the live session, we provide you guys the access to the rest of the courses as well. You don't have to worry about it. For Java full stack developer, what is the highest salary as a fresher? Infopreneur, I don't know about that because we provide for JavaScript, not for Java. For that, the highest salary was via Microsoft. That was 48 lakhs per annum. Okay. So can we do only 1 month internship? Nandini, no, you will have to do the training first and then the 1 month internship because that is the rule. That is the reason why companies are providing it for. How can we pay from Pakistan? So you guys can approach us from this particular WhatsApp number. Okay, click on this particular WhatsApp number. Tell them that you are from Pakistan and they will be helping you guys out with the payments. You don't have to worry about it. So I know C, C++, Python. What should I choose to learn? Vishwajit, if you are not from a good college, go with full stack web development. Placements are almost guaranteed right over there. Go with full stack web development. Placements are almost guaranteed right over there itself. Okay, courses list in DevTown. It's data scientist, full stack development, and cybersecurity. These are the three things. What is the name that we have to enter into the DevTown bootcamp? So enter Tinder clone. Okay, enter Tinder clone itself. Which time is the pre-registration form open? So it is open for the it is open, like it is open right now. We don't close it. It is just open. That as soon as the number of seats gets over, the pre-registration form will also get closed. As soon as the seats get over, the pre-registration form will get closed. What we gonna learn in full stack web development? You are going to learn front-end web development. So first the basics. Okay, C++, data structures, algorithms, competitive programming. Then you're going to learn your front-end web development. So basics: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, version control, responsive design, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap CSS. Then you're going to go with React JS in the front end, in the back end MongoDB, Express, Node.js, authentication, microservice architecture, monolithic architecture. Then you're going to go with AWS in cloud computing, and then DevOps may you are going to learn CI/CD, Kubernetes, Dockers, all these. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Bhanu, you can just scroll over the live chat. You will be able to find it. Okay. How to take work from home job? By applying to different companies, I guess. Sir, is there campus ambassadors program for DevTown? Yes, it is there. It is there in the description of the video itself. How will be making projects while taking a recorded course? So in the entire live, like in the recordings itself, we have done the entire projects. We have explained it, so you don't have to worry about it. Everything you will be making a Book My Show application, the same application. You will be making the Zomato clone, the exact same thing, scaled up for millions of people. Is there doubt classes for students register for recorded videos? Sayali, like I said, yes, it is there. Basically, there will be a portal. In that you will be having a doubt button itself, and click on that, put on your doubt, and a teaching assistant from DevTown will be helping you guys out with the same. Which one I prefer, full stack web development or data scientist? If you are not from a good college, go with full stack web development blindly. Go with full stack web development blindly, guys. All this in 1 month only, no sort of, like I said, first 3.5 months, 3 to 3.5 months of training, and then for your 1 month of internship. So I'm from GS Rasni College of Engineering branch, AIML. Go with full stack, then go with data science. Okay, go with data science itself. Okay. Can you send the link for the project of backend development constructed by you? So I want to submit the project. Why will I do that? You have to create that project on your own. Okay. So I paid 500. What should I do next? You will be getting a text message on WhatsApp itself. Very soon, you can either complete your payment from right over there, or somebody from DevTown will be calling out for that. So just keep an eye on any kind of message that you're getting from DevTown on your WhatsApp itself. Okay. So I'm from Tier 2 college, then go with data science. Go with data science itself. If you are from Tier 2 college, go with data science. Uh, is this not possible for me to choose full stack development as I'm from AI branch? I'm from a Tier 3 college. What would you prefer? Okay, if you're from Tier 3 college, definitely I will suggest you to go with full stack development. Definitely I will suggest you to go with full stack development. Okay, so in bootcamp I wrote DevTown and paid the amount. No issues in that. We'll handle that for you. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. How can I contact you to initiate the website project? Ambrose Palmer, you can contact me on LinkedIn. Okay, my LinkedIn ID is down in the description of the video itself. Okay. Okay, like I said, guys, if you guys want to take a part in the training and internship, okay, 3 months of internship and 1 month of training, then you guys can, after internship, job opportunities. So we provide job opportunities from the second month itself. From the second month of the program itself, we start providing job opportunities. So you don't have to worry about it. Is data science course good in BTech? Yes, but like if you are from Tier 1 or Tier 2 college, okay. How our performance will be checked when we are taking the recorded sessions? So there's no performance, right? Like I said, if you're completing the program, that's the criteria. Once you complete the entire training itself, then you are having your 1 month internship. There is no examination, no performance, nothing. The 1 month internship is guaranteed to everybody. Which is the best for a CSO student? Okay, TL Minister, I don't know what is a CSO student. Could you let me know? Angel Priya, sir, I'm from Amity University in Noida. If you guys are having companies like Amazon, Microsoft coming to your college, then go with data science. If you don't have these type of companies coming to your college, then go with full stack development. As simple as that. Okay, that would be great, Ambrose. I will be waiting for your message. Any questions that you guys are having? When will be the ambassador training beginning from? In 2 to 3 days, Surya, in 2 to 3 days, like I said. Okay. If this time is not possible to join, do we get another chance for the Rohit? I cannot guarantee for that. Like I said, this is the first time that we are coming right with it. These companies are giving it to us. It might not be there in the future. If you guys are registering yourself right now, and maybe in the future, if you want to do it, then we can schedule that for you because you have booked up your slot. In the future, if it will be there or not, we also don't know. That is the reason why. No, sir, I have completed the project. I just wanted to submit it. So where to send the project or backend web development? Param, I've told the project submission link is in the description of the video of the last bootcamp. Okay. Cisco, HCL and Samsung are coming. Angel Priya, if Cisco, HCL and Samsung are coming, then I will definitely suggest go with data scientist. Go with data scientist. Okay. Go with data scientist itself. So we can attend the lecture. Prakhar, if you're talking about the self-paced program, that will be conducted on our LMS portal, our own website. If you're talking about your the live classes, that will be conducted on Zoom. Okay, that will be conducted on Zoom itself. Okay. CSO, Internet of Things. Okay, TL Minister, then I will TL Minister, could you let me know, is your college Tier 2 or Tier 3? Could you let me know, guys? TL Minister, could you let me know Tier 2 or Tier 3 college? Can we pre-register now and select the course later? Yes, but you have to select the course in 3 to 4 days itself. You have to completely register yourself in 3 to 4 days. Okay, so yes, you can do that. So when will be campus ambassador training begin from? I'm telling you, in 2 to 3 days itself. I'm already working at a company remotely, but I wanted to improve my skills. Is this helpful? Can I get opportunities from these companies that you have mentioned? Shruti, yes, of course. That so like I said, the oldest person that I've taught is of almost 65 years old. So that was an old lady. She was working in Amazon. This, what is his name, Accenture, at that point of time. So yes, definitely you guys can also join in, and we will be doing our best for you. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. Sir, I don't know what is the tier of my college. Bhavyashree, if you are having companies like Amazon, Microsoft coming to your college, that means it's a tier 2 college. If it is not coming, then it is a tier 3 college. You can do it like that. Welcome. I'm now in the third year. Yes, definitely you can join the program itself. Which is the best course for joining for computer science and machine learning? You can go with data scientist program. You can go with data scientist program itself. Okay. Any other questions or queries, guys? Any other questions or queries? Please let me know. Any other questions or queries, guys? Please let me know. Doubt session for self-pay. Soham, I've said it 3 times to your question itself. Like I said, there will be a button in your portal for doubt assistance. You will put your doubt right over there, and that doubt will be sent to a teaching assistant. That teaching assistant will be solving your doubt and sending you the answer back. Okay. Pathik, you don't have to worry if you are missing just one attendance. We'll be handling that for you. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. I'm focusing in Java. See, it's not about your focus. For yes, for data structures and algorithms, Java is a good language. But for full stack development, choose JavaScript itself. Okay. I'm pursuing MBA. Then for that, go with data scientist. Go with data scientist itself. Close your eyes and go with data scientist. I'm promising you that. I'm from a 3-tier college students. What can I do? Data science or web development. See, for Fareen, my suggestion is go with full stack web development for placement. See, my aim is for placement itself. Okay, placements are almost guaranteed in full stack web development. That is the reason why. Okay. For BTech students, of course, for MBA, go with data scientist. Close your eyes and go with data scientist. When I'm going to get a call that which is amount paid now, Siraj Baba Sheikh, you will be getting the calls in 2 days itself. Siraj, either you will be getting the call or you will be getting a WhatsApp message that will be sent to you by the DevTown, and you can pay the rest of the amount right over there. Okay. Otherwise, still you will be getting the call in 2 to 3 days itself. You don't have to worry about it. Which companies hire data scientists? Almost every company hire data scientists. Okay, there's never a company that is not going to hire a data scientist. Okay, I'm doing MCA. For MCA, I will suggest full stack development. For MCA, I will be suggesting for full stack development. Is there any scholarships in India for MCA? I have no idea. I don't know. So can I join the live sessions in June as well? Shiva, you can register yourself right now. Okay, completely register yourself right now, and you can join in June. There will be no issues in that. I'm an 8 student. What type of course do I have to take, sir? I think so. You're talking about AI and data science. Then, Bhavyashri, you can go with data science. You can go with data science. So after the live end, where we clear our doubt about the internship, Prakhar, you can clear your doubt on this particular WhatsApp number. I provide you guys with the WhatsApp number as well as the registration link. You can clear your doubt on this particular WhatsApp number itself directly. You don't have to worry about it. You can clear your doubt on this particular WhatsApp number. ECE student, go with full stack development. Go with full stack development. But if you are from tier 2 college, go with data science. From tier 2 college, any branch that you are, go with data science. Okay, do not care about anything. Tier 2 college, go with data science. You will get great placements out there. Okay, but if you are not from tier 2 college, then go with full stack development, no matter which particular branch you are from. So data structures is better with C or Java. It's better with C++ or Java, not C. Okay. What do you suggest for mechanical student, Prakhar? I will suggest full stack web development. I will suggest full stack web development. If you are from a tier 3 college, go with full stack web development itself. So I've completed BE in ENTC. Which course will be better for me? Go with full stack development. Again, Soam, go with full stack development. So I don't know what is ENTC, but if it's BE, then go with full stack development. I'm from data science. Yes, go with data science itself. Like I said, in our college, there is no Google, Microsoft, but we are having Wipro, Cognizant. So it is tier 3. Okay. It is tier 3 itself. TL Minister, I will definitely suggest go with full stack development. Definitely 100% go with full stack development itself to get a good placement. So what do you suggest for triple E student like course? For triple E student, if you want to get into it, if you're not from tier 2 college, you're from tier 3 college, go with full stack development. Okay, go with full stack development itself. I'm from mechanical branch. Again, even if you are from mechanical branch, if you're from tier 2 college, go with data science. If you're from tier 3 college, go for full stack development itself. As simple as that. Tier 2 data science, tier 3 full stack. Okay, as simple as that, not branch. Okay, branch doesn't matter. Okay, we have placed students from even non-BTech branches as well. Like for example, maritime engineering, the merchant navy. Merchant navy is not even BTech. We got students placed into full stack from right over there. Triple E and tier 2, go with data science. Go with data science. Close your eyes, go with data science. Okay, doing MCA in SRM University, which is best? Go with full stack development. Smart Sudarshan, go with full stack development. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? You guys, if you have any doubts or any queries, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you can complete your registration right now. You can start your pre-registration right now using this registration link as well. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. So how much maths and statistics is required for data science? Whatever maths and statistics that is going to be there, we are already covering it up inside of our syllabus. As you're able to see, statistics as well is entirely covered up into our course itself. Constructs, population versus samples, correlations versus causation, everything is being covered right over here. Okay, I'm doing MCA in Parallel Universities. Which field is better? Go with full stack development. Go with full stack development itself. Okay, I'm from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. Which I choose data science? Yes, completely choose data science, 100%. RV College is very near my house itself. I'm also in Bangalore. Maybe someday we can meet as well. Okay, sir, I send you the connection request on LinkedIn. Please accept it whenever you're free. Really grateful for you. Prakhar, definitely I will do that as soon as I get some time. Okay, so I'm Jaipri, Noida. Which one should I choose? I'll go with full stack development. Jaipri, I don't know. I have never heard about Jaipri, so I don't know what kind of placements you guys are having. But if it's a tier 3 college, go with full stack development itself. Okay. Just a second, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm still in the class itself. Yeah. The WhatsApp number you shared before I texted him, he said that all the fee should be paid before 10 said, but you have said the installment is also an option. Shiali, so the installment is there. So when you open up the payment link, you will have, it's a Razor Pay payment link itself. The EMI options is listed right over there. So whatever EMI option that you're choosing for you, you have to start the EMI right now. You have to start the EMI right now before 10th. Okay, then you can pay it on a monthly basis. Okay, then you can pay it on a monthly basis, but you have to start your EMI before 10th itself. That's what he's trying to say. Okay. Sorry, I'm mistaken. I just checked now on our college website. There's no Google, but we have Amazon, Walmart, DBS. Then it's a tier 2 college. It's a tier 2 college. If it's a tier 2 college, then you can definitely do data science. You can definitely do data science itself. Thank you for clearing my doubt. No issues in that, man. I'm always there for you guys. Okay, sir, an error with my name in my certificate. How can I get help? How can I get? So contact certificate@devtown.in. Okay, not S. Certificate@devtown.in. Send your query right over there, and we'll help you guys out with the same. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, any queries, you can contact us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you can pay your pre-registration fees right over here. We'll meet again at 7:30 tomorrow for our class, and we'll continue from right over there, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Have a great night ahead. Thank you, guys.